Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. Want to know the secret to writing a perfect paragraph every time? Today we are mastering the race writing strategy. So let's get started. In order to master the race writing strategy, we need to focus on a simple, powerful method to answer any question with complete, clear responses. So I'm going to show you the methods right now. What is race? R stands for restate the question. A stands for answer all parts of the question. C stands for cite textual evidence. And E stands for explain your thinking. Follow these four steps every time you write a response. Each step builds on the last to create a strong, complete answer. Step 1, restate. Restate the question. Turn the question into a statement. This shows you understand what's being asked. If the question is, why did the dog bark? Your restating is going to look like this. The dog barked because. Notice how we turned the question into the beginning of our answer. Restate the question. Here are some more examples. What is photosynthesis? That is the question. Restating it is going to look like photosynthesis is. Question, how did Sarah feel? Restating it in the answer is going to look like Sarah felt. Question, where does the story take place? Restating it is going to look like the story takes place. Step 2, answer. Give a clear, direct answer. Don't make the reader wait. State your main point right away. Question, why did the dog bark? Answer, the dog barked because it heard a stranger at the door. Step 3, cite evidence. Use quotes or facts from the text. Show where you found your answer. Use phrases like the text states or according to the passage. Here is an example. The dog barked because it heard a stranger at the door. The story says Rex's ears perked up when footsteps approached the house. Notice that the textual evidence is in quotation marks. Step 4, explain. Connect the evidence to your answer. Tell why the evidence supports your point. Help the reader understand your thinking. Full race example. The dog barked because it heard a stranger at the door. The story says Rex's ears perked up when footsteps approached the house. This shows Rex was alert to someone new coming, which made him bark to protect his home. Explain means say what the evidence means. Show how it proves your answer. Make the connection clear. Here is a complete race example. Question, why is recycling important? R, recycling is important because it helps protect our planet. A, it reduces waste in landfills and saves natural resources. C, the article states recycling 1 ton of paper saves 17 trees. E, this evidence proves that recycling directly protects nature by reducing the number of trees we need to cut down. Practice question. Read the question. Why did Maria study every night? Use race. Maria studied every night because A, answer all parts of the question. She wanted to improve her grades. C, cite textual evidence. The text says Maria was determined to earn an A. E, this shows she was committed to success. Check your work. Did you include all four steps? Is your answer complete? You've got this. Restate the question. Answer the question directly. Answer all parts of the question. Cite your evidence. and explain your thinking. Practice race every day, and strong writing will become automatic. You're building a skill that will help you succeed in every subject. Thank you for watching and learning with me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.